So, bit of a fun project. I was in the garden the other day making paper airplanes with my granddaughter, and I'm there looking at it thinking to myself, I wonder if I could make a slope saw out of that. Oh, top tip by the way, if you're new to making paper airplanes, you know, it's like you're in the lecture theatre, teacher hasn't turned up, putting that tail on, going to win a glide all day, every day. So, let's make one of these. I've got some of my older, the foam board. It's a bit scabby, but it's just got bits of glue on it. There's no pinholes or cuts in it. So I'm going to use a piece of foam board, which you can buy from a hobby store, or if you're in the States, I think the Flight Test foam board, the board they use would be perfect for this. So I'm going to smash some dimensions out and let's see if we can make a radio controlled paper aeroplane. So at the moment, I've not gone massive on the elevator, and I have got, if I want, a lot more control. It's gone really well. I mean, smashed that together really quickly. I've got to be honest here, the only thing I'm disappointed with, if you're making one of these and you follow the dimensions I've done, the dimensions are all fine. I ain't flown it yet. I'd stick the servos further forward, because although I stuck my servos right by the C of G, and I've stuck this little 4.8 150 milligram battery that's on with Velcro, I've had to stick about 8-9 grams on the nose just to get it to that looks curved in the picture, doesn't it? It's not. That must be a trick of the camera. No, it's not curved. What am I talking about? Right, so I've had to stick that bit of weight on at the moment temporarily. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hot glue gun, and then I will just add weight as and when I think. But anyway, it's a bit of fun. Let's go and see if it flies. Right, wind's gone off to the southwest. I'm going to have to go to a different slope to carry on doing this.